Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone connection setting, and today video title is guys data usage and friends data saver. How can we enable data saver mode in Samsung phone device? Friends, you want to enable guys your phone data saver, and guys you don't know guys where is your data saver mode in your Samsung phone device, and friends you want to enable, you want to use it. So how can you enable after you, or how can you use after enabling? Today friends I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So friends, we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting in your Samsung phone device. So friends, we will click on guys this phone connection setting. First of all, tap here and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see data usage setting. So guys, tap on data usage guys, you can use guys your data usage from here. Friends, you can see data saver mode guys, we will tap here to enable it. Friends, you can see data saver helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. So guys, we will enable from here, and then we will click on this allowed from here. So guys, which app guys you want to allow guys, you can allow from here in your Samsung phone device guys. So like that guys, we can enable guys the data saver mode guys, and guys we can use from here guys. So guys, we will enable from here, and friends come back. So friends, you can use guys your phone data saver mode like that. So I hope friends you understood how to enable data saver and how to use it. So bye guys.